How to add TikTok drafts together. In today's video, I'll show you how to combine multiple TikTok drafts into one seamless video. If you have drafts saved and want to merge them together for a more engaging post, stay tuned. First, open the TikTok app and simply go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. You'll see a folder labeled drafts, tap on it. Unlike video editing apps, TikTok doesn't have a built-in feature to directly combine drafts, so here's a simple way to do it. Decide which drafts you want to combine and simply open the draft and click on next and simply upload it. While uploading, make sure your privacy setting is private so that others can't see it. And make sure save to device toggle is on so that we have it saved on our device. After that, simply post it in your TikTok. Once you've done that, simply repeat the same process for the another one. Once all the drafts are posted, tap on the plus icon at the middle of the screen. From there, simply go to gallery. Here, as you can see, we have the two drafts in our gallery. Click on them and simply tap on next. Now you can use TikTok's editor or third-party apps to simply combine them. And that's it. That's how you can simply add TikTok drafts together.